everyone! It's once again my favorite time of the year, back to school season. I love back to school season just because I can customize all of my notebooks and make them look all pretty. So today we are making these super easy and simple 3 DIY notebooks. I love the way these notebooks turned out. They were super easy and simple to make, so let's get started. First, we're making this lovely polka dot notebook. To get started, I'm going to get up some white cardstock and I'm going to cut that to size. If your notebook has holes on the sides like mine, you want to tape the cardstock piece onto the front cover. Then using a pencil, trace the holes and punch them out using a hole punch. Once everything is cut to size, I can start gluing it onto my front cover. I'm using a glue stick for this part and pressing it down with my fingers. Now we can create the polka dots. I'm using some glittery washi tape for this part, and I am punching some circles out of it and sticking them on in a random order. Now to create the label part, I just cut out a rectangle from some white cardstock. Then I cut out some triangles from the same glittery tape, and I put 2 of those on 2 corners. And to adhere everything down to the front cover, I just used some foam tape. And that's it. I really love how this notebook turned out. Next up, we are making this lovely Panda notebook. I did the same thing by cutting everything to size and punching out this. Next, I'm gluing my pink construction paper onto the cover using some glue sticks again. Now it's time to create a panda using some Perler beads. I'm going to only iron one side instead of both of the sides, just because I really like the look of the. You can iron both sides if you don't like how the Perler beads look. I'm using some hot glue to adhere it down to the cover. And that's pretty much it. I really love how this notebook turned out, and plus it took me only 15 minutes to make, so that's really great. Lastly, we are creating a collage strip notebook. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out some magazine pages. You want to choose pages that are very colorful, preferably food pages. The more color there is on the pages, the more interest it will add to the cover. I'm cutting my pages into 1/4 of an inch wide strips using a ruler and an X-Acto knife. You can also use scissors for this part. I did this a couple of times until I had a pile of magazine strips. Then using a glue stick, I glued them onto some paper. I'm using regular printer paper for this part, but you can use any other paper. I found this part so fun to do. It was so therapeutic and I really enjoyed this part a lot. Once you're done doing that, flip your page over. Next, using a ruler and a pencil, draw a diagonal line. Then with a pair of scissors, cut on that line. We're only going to use one side of the paper, so you can pick whatever side you like. Next, to glue everything on, I'm using my pink construction paper on the top half of the cover and my collage strip paper on the bottom half. And once again, I'm adhering everything down using a glue stick. By the way, you can use any other glue of your choice. You don't have to use a glue stick. And for the label part, once again, I am using some white cardstock, cutting a rectangle out of it and gluing it down using a glue stick. Now, to prevent my magazine strips from fraying or peeling off over time, I'm going to use some Mod Podge to seal it in. You can use any other sealant of your choice or even regular school glue. I'm applying a really nice thin coat of Mod Podge. And that's it. I really like the way these notebooks turned out. They were super easy and simple to make. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!